until show the mirror and the handle. Show from my side, show mirror and the handle. Okay, it doesn't matter. I show here on this video only fails. So my handle and curb should be crossed some way. I put two complete turn left and I go in again back, watching that. Now the point, if you go in fast and I start to go fast, I hit the curb. I didn't see, but in case you hit the curb, you fail. Okay, good. Now I have feeling that I close, so I'll go in straight and that's it. Now, interesting stuff, that it can be excessive maneuver while parking. I mean, if you move back and forth 5 times, you also fail. Okay, now we check how I close or far from the curb. And here waiting your surprise. Of course, I did occasional, I tell you occasionally, I did perfect. It should be 6-8 inches from the curb. Now close the, it's 6-8 inches, right? Okay, I did perfect because many times I did it. I wish you did the same, you will do the same. But the point is that in case I'm close to the curb, don't hit, but close.